बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी सॉल्यूशंस। हम इस समर पैक क्लास 7th की द एजुकेटर स्कूल के समर पैक कंप्यूटर का वर्क करेंगे कंप्लीट। कंप्यूटर का वर्क कंप्लीट हो रहा है, पेज नंबर शुरू हो रहा है 48 पेज नंबर से। पेज नंबर 49 पे एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 है कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है राउट डाउन द 3 symptoms of the following cyber vandalism. A cyber attack without any obvious rational, criminal, political or ideological motive, usually defacement of a vulnerable website to display the hacker powers. Next is spyware. Spyware is a software that enables a user to obtain, convert information about another computer activity by transmitting data covertly from their hard drive. Hacking, the gaining of unauthorized access to data in a system or computer is called hacking. Adware, software that automatically displays or downloads advertising material such as banners or pop-ups when a user is online. Second question is differentiate between the custom scan and full scan. Full scan will check every file and folder in your system. Custom scan allow to exclude some files, folder and programs from being scanned. Page number 50, activity number 2, computer virus and types. 3 disadvantages of the following virus. Slow system, it detects file in system, storage space shortage. Harm to their host network by consuming bandwidth and overloading web series. Second is security failure, and third is create multiple copies of themselves to send other computer. Question number 2 is answer the following question. Difference between the direct action viruses and resident virus. Direct viruses requires the user to install or execute the infected for the viruses to be activated. A resident viruses install themselves on the computer and are therefore considered more dangerous and trickier to the eradicate. Question number B is why are the paired software considered a threat? Pirated software, potentially dangerous website which can impact your PC with adware, bots and even a ransomware. When the device is infected or attacked, the malware sends out the sensitive credentials such as username. Question number C is why keylogger is considered essential for computer system. Keylogger is considered essential for computer system because that is hardware. Keylogger is a small device that serves as connector between the keyboard and the computer. On the page number 51, activity number 3, preventing a computer virus attack. Question number 1 is list the 3 merits of the following. VPN. VPN stands for the virtual private network. B, establish protected network connection. C, encrypted your internal traffic and disguise your online identifier. Firewall is a network security device, monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic. Established security policies. Question number 2 is answer the question following. A, what is the role of antivirus software in the computer security? Antivirus software designed to detect and remove viruses from the computer and can also protect against a wide variety of threats, including other types of malicious software as keylogger, browser hijackers, Trojans. B, what are the actions taken by the antivirus software? Antivirus is a kind of software used to prevent, scan, detect and delete viruses from the computer. Once installed, most antivirus software run automatically in the background to provide a real-time protection against virus attack. C, what is the antivirus essential computer systems? On your computer, a laptop, malware can steal your data, encrypt it so you cannot access it or even erase it completely. For this reason, it's important that you always use antivirus software and keep it up to date to protect your data and devices. On the page number 52, activity 4, authentication and its types. First is password authentication. Password authentication protocol is password based point-to-point protocol to validate users, supported by almost all network operating systems. User inputting a unique ID and key. Next is two-factor authentication. It is a multi-factor authentication electronic authentication method use adding an additional layers of security to your online accounts. It requires additional login credential beyond just the username and password. Third one is biometric authentication. It is a security process relies on the unique biological characteristics of an individual to verify the are who say they are. Computer physical of or behavioral traits to stored. Next is CAPTCHAs. It is a type of challenges response test that used in computing to determine whether the user is the human. The most common. The type of CAPTCHA was first invented 1997 by two groups working in the parallel. Page number 53, activity 5, the internet and email. Look at the picture and answer the question. What does picture represent? In this picture, a cracker is someone who breaches computer security and break into someone else's computer system. B. What do such people do and how? Hackers and crackers breach security system. People use techniques that help login security, developing anti-hackers security agencies. What is usually their only intentions? Their main intentions to gain access and exploit a computer's resources. Working as security is specialist in many organizations. Match the following: micro configuration, antivirus, spoofing, fake identity, malware, Trojan horse, infected files, no authentication. We are on the page number 54, activity number 6, question internet email. Question number 1 is what is the use of optical fibers in internet communication? Fiber optics are long, thin strand of very pure glass about the size of human hair. They use in various networking field increase the speed and accuracy of transmission data. Cables are lighter and carry more data. Question number 2 is briefly explain the importance of IP address with example. An IP address is the string of numbers separated by the periods. The address are expressed as a set of 4 numbers. An example may be 192.158.1.38. Each number is set can rank from 0 to 255. So full rank goes from 0.0. Question number 3 with the help of this picture write down some uses of internet. In this picture shows many uses of internet. Provide online shopping platforms, offers items, sale or buy. You can communicate with each other using WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can send and receive messages anytime by using internet, although text, mail, pictures, videos and sounds, etc. Banking operations and transformation using internet to get any type of information, watch movies, play games, etc. यहाँ पे हमारा कंप्यूटर साइंस का वर्क कंप्लीट हुआ. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.